So this is how much times you should hold the bird. And this is about budgies if you don't know. My two budgies. I have two budgies. And if you don't know, I'm talking about budgies, how much time you should take them out of their cage. So, if you have two budgies, you take them 6 times, or 4, 6, 5, 4, or 3. 6 is maximum. 5 is maximum. 4 is kind of normal. And 3 is normal. For 2 budgies. 1 budgie is 3, 2, or 1. Those are all the ones that you should talk about. I don't have to say anything right now. I don't have to say anything. Just 3, 2, or 1. You choose that one because 3 is good for them. 2 is kind of good. 1, you shouldn't take them out that much. You should now 2 or 3 if you have 1 budgie. If you have 3 budgies, then you should take them out. 7 is the maximum. The good maximum for 3 budgies is 7. 7 is maximum, as I said. 6 is maximum. 7 is maximum. 6 is maximum. 5 is kind of maximum. 4 is normal. 3 is kind of normal. You shouldn't take them out that much. You should take them about a bit more. 2 is way too little, and 1 is way too little. So don't do 1 or 2, but you can do 3 sometimes, but not usually. So if you have 4 budgies, this is the last one I'm going to do. 5 is the last one I'm going to do. So this time we're going to do 4 now. 4, then you should take them about 9, I think. About 9 or 8. 9 or 8. 9 is maximum. 8 is maximum. 9 is maximum. 8 is maximum. 7 is kind of maximum. 6 is kind of normal. 5 is kind of normal. 4 is normal. 3 is not too good. 2 is way too small. And 1 is way too small. So 5. Now we're up to 5. 4th and 9, right? So this one is 10 or 11. I don't really know about this one, but I think this one is good for 10 or 11. But it's not that good. So I think this 10 or 11 is not that good, so we're going to put that one away. And we're going to do 9 or 8 again. Like I said before, 9 or 8. So you know what I just said, maximum stuff. So you guys know what I'm talking about. So bye guys. See you in my next video.